In this video, you'll learn how to connect your spectroscopy setup with the Thinfilm mini app in AvaSoftX. You will need a spectrometer, a light source, a reflection probe, and the Thinfilm stage. Connect the collection branch of the reflection probe to the spectrometer, and connect the illumination branch of the reflection probe, identified by its label, to the light source. Place your reference sample beneath the probe head. In this example, the uncoated substrate serves as the reference. Switch on the light source. In the software, click Start Measurement. Click Optimize Integration Time to adjust light capture. Check and modify the number of averages if needed. Adjust the probe head while monitoring the spectra to find the optimal probe to sample distance. Click the Save Reference button to capture the reference spectrum from the uncoated substrate. Close the shutter by putting the power switch on TTL. Click the Save Dark Reference button to capture the dark, baseline spectrum. Reopen the shutter by switching the power button to the On position. Switch to the Reflectance tab. Under the Properties panel, you need to load the NK values for substrate and the coating. Entering the expected layer thickness range and setting the appropriate wavelength range for the spectrometer improve the precision of the fitted spectrum results. Replace the uncoated substrate with the coated sample. Ensure the sample surface is clean and positioned at the same focus height as the reference measurement. Under the Reflectance tab, you can monitor the interference pattern of the reflected light. Click the Variance tab to view the difference between the measured and fitted spectra. This helps evaluate how closely the model matches the experimental data. The measured thickness values are displayed in the top left corner of the graph. The fit quality shown directly below the thickness values represents the root mean square error. Thanks for watching this video. In need of more information or support, visit our website or contact us directly.